All right, so we're going to work through problem 11, which is going to allow you to work through the last of the few problems on this section. I'm going to apologize right now that my document camera is a little bit fuzzy because it's kind of old. So we'll see about that. Okay. So basically what we've got is a bicycle with 28-inch tires, which means the diameter is 28 inches, so your radius is 14. So we can just say diameter is 28 inches, so radius is 14 inches, okay? And I apologize, maybe I can make it focus now. Oh, that is so much worse. Okay, good enough. All right, so what we have is the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter. So either one of those will work, but we want to figure out how many times this thing is moving around the circle. Okay, so what I've got is the circumference is going to be pi times 28, and that's going to come in handy later. So we're told that this bicycle is going to be going 23 miles per hour. And the first thing that we want to convert into is inches per minute. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the hours first. I don't want to see hours here. I want to see minutes here. So I am going to say that 1 hour is the exact same thing as 60 minutes. Okay, so now we're in miles per minute because hours reduces out. So we are in miles per minute. This is driving me up a wall. You're like, just finished teaching the problem. It's like almost focused, but not quite. All right. So from here, I want to introduce inches. So I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And I know that 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay, so miles reduced with miles, feet reduced with feet. So that leaves me 23 times 5,280 times 12 is going to be divided by 60. So 23 times 5,280 times 12 all over 60, and when I do that, I get 24,288. Okay, so that just tells me how many inches per minute this thing is going. That tells me how many inches per minute this bicycle tire is going. Well, I want to know how many revolutions per minute it's getting, so I'm going to divide this by 28 pi. Because that's 1 revolution, is 28 pi. So 24,288 divided by 28 pi is 2,076.111. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's got to be driving you up a wall because it's driving me up a wall. Okay, it's time for a new document camera. Anyway. What we get is, oh my word, look at that. It finally focused. Only 4 minutes into the video. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. What we've got is the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or pi d, because 2 times the radius is the diameter. So the circumference of this case is pi times 28. I've got 23 miles per 1 hour. So I reduced hours by introducing minutes. Okay. And then I've got 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So the miles reduce, and then feet are going to reduce, and I'm going to introduce inches. So when I do all that math, I got 276,000, good grief, 276.111 revolutions per minute. So when I do that times 2 pi, which is 1 revolution in radians. I'll find out what my revolutions per minute in radians are. So 2 pi gives me 1,734 and 857. And that's in radians per minute. So that'll allow you to do the last few problems on this section.